What the hell? I'm so lucky. Yo, I'm so laggy. I hate lag. Bro.
Ang bacon yung word. I share.
I'm gonna kill this.
Yan.
Wow, lag.
Lagi din.
It's so lag, bro. Where's the ano? Yung mo ko lang. I hate lag, bro.
Just fast.
Next time, I'm gonna post again.
Kasi tayo magkalap.
Ayun.
Tagalog slipped out. Okay.
You come here. I hate running, bro.
But you like walking? Oh, boom!
I'm so dumb. When I share it, I'm gonna end my videos.
Ay, ako na, para siya sa kita.
I'm gonna shoot the first person I see.
Hi, Carla, what are you willing to trade me? But I'm not gonna agree to that. I don't like that.
Guys, subscribe. This is my friend. Subscribe. She's a YouTuber too.
Okay, so we're gonna 1v1.
I'm gonna kill everyone, guys, because I'm pro.
Hindi pwede din kita. Hindi pwede din kita.
Siya pala ko.
Barley kaya ka ba?
No, nag-glitch.
Barley
Look
kaya
at
ka ba?
glitch. Bro, I hate glitch. Haha. Glitch. Come here, my friend.
Alam niya. Akala niya. Shut up kita. Mag-glitch. Oh, okay. Okay, so we're gonna speak English today, guys.
I hate this boy, bro.
You
That's
prefer,
boy.
you
It's
prefer
hacker.
Sayame sa hacker?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why. Okay. So laggy. So
We're the teamers. Joke.
what are you talking about?
Oh,
my
I got
God.
the sand.
I'm standing in the lobby. I'm gonna go up 2 times. Bro, I got
I'm gonna
disconnected.
joke everyone, bro. I'm gonna joke everyone. I'm gonna joke everyone.
Pala, ano ba sa atin Trixie o tinipid ng kalabi ng tatawa ng alam?
Gosh.
We're making a video.
Yeah. Because we're not.
Because I'm in my heart. Oh my God, the gun.
Bulag ka.
Get the gun. Get the gun. Get the gun. Get the gun. Oh my God, yes. Shoot. Oh my God. Ah! Oh my God. Oh my God. That's alright, my boy.
That's okay. The end.
That's that.
Bye bye. See you next time.
Mag-explain naman na tayo.